Improve your English through story. Love or money story. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a young prince named Prince Charming. He was handsome, charming, and had everything a prince could want. Except for one thing, he was broke. You see, Prince Charming had spent all his money on fancy clothes and parties, and now he's in a bit of a pickle. One day, as he was wandering through the kingdom, he came across a beautiful peasant girl named Cinderella. She was kind, hardworking, and most importantly, she had a knack for making money. Prince Charming was smitten. He knew he had to have her, but he also knew she would never love a penniless prince. So he came up with a plan. He asked Cinderella to teach him how to make money, and in exchange, he would teach her how to charm her way into the hearts of the rich and the powerful. Cinderella was hesitant at first, but Prince Charming was so charming that she couldn't resist. And so they set off on a journey to learn the ways of making money and love. They went from kingdom to kingdom, learning different trades and skills. Prince Charming picked up carpentry, blacksmithing, and even bookkeeping. Cinderella learned how to sew, cook, and how to make soap. As they traveled, they fell deeper in love, and as they learned more about each other, they also learned more about themselves. Prince Charming learned that money wasn't everything, and that true love was worth more than gold. Cinderella learned that true love could come in the form of a charming prince. In the end, they returned to their kingdom and lived happily ever after. Prince Charming became the wealthiest prince in the land, and Cinderella became the most sought-after entrepreneur. And they lived happily ever after, proving that love and money can indeed go hand in hand. Thank you for watching this video. This is the end. And please share, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.